Ready to supercharge your website's analytics and unlock a whole new level of control? We are diving into creating your Google Tag Manager, or GTM, account. A powerful tool that lets you easily manage and deploy tracking codes on your website. This will help you understand your website's performance. First things first. Open your web browser and head over to the Google Tag Manager website. Search for Google Tag Manager account in your web browser to find the appropriate site. Once on the Google Tag Manager homepage, you will see a page with options. Click the Sign In to Tag Manager button. You'll be prompted to sign in with an existing Google account, so go ahead, using your email and password. If this is your first time, you'll see a screen to create an account. Click on the Create Account button located in the top right now. You'll be asked to provide some information first. Enter a descriptive account name. This is usually your company name. Next, select your country. Then, you'll need to provide a container name. This represents your website. For the container type, choose Web if you're using Google Tag Manager. For a website application, after you fill in all the fields, click the Create button. You'll be prompted with Google's Terms of Service. Read them and accept the terms. Afterward, you'll be presented with installation code snippets. These are a key part of the setup. You'll need to copy each code snippet and paste it into the specified spots on your website. The first code goes into the head section of your website, and the second goes right after the opening body tag. This lets GTM start tracking your site. And there you have it. Your Google Tag Manager account is up and running. You can now start adding tags, triggers, and variables to track and analyze your website's performance. Now you are in control of your website's analytics setup.